Ebi byabaho abakugwaba babana barebekaho mu kakiiko akishenjera kakosase kubasa ku bana babuzubwa hanshonga zitari zumwe na zumwe omwa ripota ya Auditor General ngo kubakolise sente za government aha mirimo etari emwe n'emwe kandi babuzubwa na hanshonga y'ekishayi kwijura amizi.
Tutunulidde ekitongole kya Civil Aviation Authority okutunulira ku queries oba oli awo n'ensonga endala ezize ba members balese ng'ensonga y'amataba. So ngolaba waliwo oba oli awo ba contract obutakola bulungi mulimu nitulabanga ekisaawe kyaffe ekifaananyi kyali kibi.
One ku nsonga y'abakozi tetuna concludinga although mu auditors report eraga nti mulimu ebisobye. Nolwekyo tusabye tufune list y'abakozi yonna na kiki kye bafuna buli mukozi tusobole okulabika nti tutangaza eggwanga nti abakozi baffe abakola ku civil aviation oba ekitongole ekifuga entambula ey'ennyonyi nti abakozi baffe basasulwa bulungi.
Aba bagira ngu mwaha bintu ebirikutambuzibwa aha mikutu erikugiita abantu n'ebishuba ngu biitu nibabigiitagiita babyete by'ekishayi kya Uganda.
Because Uganda and social media really is getting to levels that are uncontrollable. You want to levels that are uncontrollable. Some of the floods come all over the place and they put it like, even when it is clear that showing that this is another airport. For instance, there was one that happened in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and it was attributed to Entebbe, and that was not true.
Ogu yayongera yashobora hamiringe ibariyo nubongera ha mutindo gw'ekishayi ky'Entebbe ngunubaza kukiteeka aha mutindo gw'ensi yona.
Entebbe bingi bye tukora nga bwe mumanyi. Tukora terminal building ey'okubiri square meters emitwaro 2 kati eriwo ya mitwaro 4 nwaraza emitwaro 3 eriwo twagala kugigaziya tuteeke ku space endala ya mitwaro 2 eyo tukyakora tena bakugwa.
Aba ntibija kugaruka mu kakiiko aka orwakashatu esabiite erikwija.